Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today, as usual, as we get closer each and every single day to the fall of the global economy. Now, I know we are a cryptocurrency channel, but many of us are still in like the general investing space. But one thing that's interesting is that cryptocurrency was actually a direct result of the 2008 financial recession. So the cryptocurrency market as we know today has not actually experienced a financial recession quite yet. And I'm curious to see how that plays out. Like, I'm curious to see how cryptocurrency is going to play in the role of the demise of the U.S. economy. All right, I mean, it's going to be the whole global economy, but, global economy like relies on the U.S. So when U.S. falls, affects the globe. But it's basically, I think it's initially going to be the demise of the U.S. economy. How does XRP play into that? And I'll be damned. That Trump administrator, Judy Shelton, who suggested something of a gold-backed cryptocurrency, has actually been liking XRP posts on Twitter. So here's the thing: it's like I always see Peter Schiff and Anthony Pompliano. They're always at each other's throats on Twitter about, oh no, gold's better, oh no, Bitcoin's better. I'm like, listen, idiots, it's going to be a combination of both, because the true value, I think, lies in the precious metal that we used to have our currency based on. But what we could do instead this time is have a limited supply currency, a limited supply digital currency backed by gold. That would seem like a prosperous future of America in which we thrive on digital currency based on the real deal, gold. So I think it's this financial recession. Like, I don't want to say I'm excited for it, but I am really curious as to what the history books are going to say for the 2020 economic recession, because I believe it's coming. It's either 2020 or 2021. It's coming. It's going to happen. Dude, it's going to happen fast, and it's going to be bad. But really curious to see how digital assets play in that type of atmosphere. I mean, are people panicking and liquidating their cryptocurrency, or are they panicking into cryptocurrency because it is at the same time skyrocketing while stocks fall? And lucky for cryptocurrency, for like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, it is literally time to head into the next bull cycle and head back to all-time high. And it happens over about a year period with a monthly consolidation in between that. Yeah, we could really be at a really odd time where stocks slide hard and cryptocurrency rallies and becomes seen as some sort of a safe haven. So that's why I'm really excited for the recession. But yeah, guys, kind of a long intro. It's just kind of the general investing space I'm just kind of talking about here. But last thing I'll discuss before we get into some XRP charts, show you guys the retracement, what's going on. I feel like the stock market is at its peak, just like crypto was at its peak in 2017. Because remember in 2017, cryptocurrencies, I know a majority of us entered the space in 2017. Like, that was a huge, like, early adopter wave that came about, right? And in 2017, cryptocurrency was getting stupid. Like, people were doing stupid things to get cryptocurrency, and just all around, like, it was utter stupidity because the price action was so insane. Like, this guy, when Bitcoin was at $19,000, he confirms on Reddit that he took out a $300,000 home equity loan out of his house and dumped it into Bitcoin at $19K. You got family members and taxi drivers and Uber drivers all of a sudden talking about Bitcoin. It was like truly like it was the peak, because it was just getting stupid. Like, that's how the market knew, like, wow, this is dumb. Like, we need to go down. I think the same sort of thing is happening with stocks here, because you have gold. You have gold breaking historical levels. Gold is going to historical levels above $2,000 an ounce. And the stock indexes are up today. I mean, this is where I think just generally, like, people in these stock markets, they're stupid. Like, they're not seeing Okay, yeah. Okay, stocks only go up. Okay, haha. But do you not see gold breaking all-time high and going to new historical levels? Gold doesn't break all-time high because everything in the economy is all great and woohoo. Oh, we're doing fantastic. No, it's breaking all-time high because there's a serious shift happening where a lot of investors, institutional and retail, are running into gold because they know what's coming. They know what's coming with a 33% GDP slide. One-third of American housing going delinquent on payments. 600 a week from federal unemployment just got ended. Like this is gonna get worse. This is gonna get worse, and it's hilarious to me. I still see stocks rallying while gold is above $2,000 an ounce. So recession or a deep correction in the stock market, like 15-20%, has got to be coming up. Because money printer can only go burr for so long until like the house of cards falls. You know what I mean? So, but anyways, this is talking as a Tesla put holder, so I'm kind of like hoping for the demise of the stock market. But anyways, enough of that stuff. That's just my honest opinion with what's going on right now in the investing space. So back into the crypto stuff. Jeez, went on a little rant there. So XRP, I might be looking at the 4-hour or the hourly and going, oh no, my God, oh no, the sellers, all the bears, they've finally taken control. It's like, yeah, okay, on the 4-hour, sure, establish a lower high. The sellers do actually take control here like they have before, but I think at one point or another, it's just going to end up being a higher low. So it'll definitely be higher. If we are truly heading into the next bull cycle, it'll be higher than this low right here, and then it'll power move right back to previous high, and then like current what do you call that, like current rally highs, I guess you could say. So the 4-hour actually doesn't look too bad. It's just like, you know what, this is needed because it was kind of freaking me out how like it was just this, and it's like, dude, how long is this gonna sustain? So it's like the pullbacks and the retracements is really the confirmation you need in bull markets to keep going forward. I mean, look at history of Bitcoin and XRP. Look at the 2017 charts. There was tons of flash crashes, dumps, and wicks to the downside like crazy. But here's the thing. If you really zoom out, it's like, okay, here is what we have done as the buyers, and not to mention Ripple now buying XRP on secondary exchanges. I think they're pumping in some liquidity, and it's actually worth it for them because they're accumulating all this XP at a low price that they can hold for the future for like IPO valuations. So guys, I'm just saying, I know with Ripple we're not exactly happy all the time because they don't give us like all the information we're wanting and new announcements constantly. But I gotta tell you, there's an ace up their sleeve, and we're gonna be seeing it. And I think it might be this IPO. So daily chart, look at what we have, as the buyers have accomplished. Now this is what the sellers have done. So, yes, if you just go on the CoinMarketCap and go, oh God, XRP down 5%, okay, of course. But again, you read charts, you read price action left to right. So, man, oh man. And you even got this little thing back here. Probably where Ripple started buying, honestly, off the secondary market. Because that's power right there. Power, pullback. But then it's like, okay, yeah, you pulled back good, but look at the two power moves that happened right there. That's what led to it going higher. And now you have, okay, sellers, sure, on the smaller time frames, yeah, they're getting some work done, but in reality, on the daily chart, what can they really accomplish that stops us from heading towards our goals on the monthly chart, which is that major double bottom, and we look to be heading to some serious resistance here in the near future. So, guys, yep, just a little retracement, but it is literally part of the game. It is a part of the game. I mean, look, previous bull run, all the way up, 40-cent all-time high. What did it drop down to? 12 cents. Yeah, but guess what? The intelligent people were accumulating down here and ended up selling at $3.30. So, guys, that's the video for today. Thank you for tuning in. Really do appreciate it. Make sure you smash the like, subscribe, check the links in the description if you do want to support the channel. Jeez, I always rush myself on that because, it's all the plugging. I want to get it over with. But, yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys in the next one.